Have you ever wondered how to translate code from one language to another using ChatGPT? If so, you're in the right place. Code translation is a fascinating aspect of programming that opens up new perspectives and opportunities. It's the process of converting code written in one programming language into another, making it readable and executable across diverse platforms. This necessity arises in various situations, such as when migrating legacy code to modern languages, or when you need to integrate different technologies. Now, there are numerous tools available to aid in code translation. However, an exceptional standout in this domain is ChatGPT. This sophisticated tool from OpenAI has been making waves in the tech world with its capabilities. It's not just a chatbot, it's a powerful code translator that can help programmers save time and effort. Today, you will learn how to use ChatGPT to translate code from one language to another. Buckle up, it's going to be an exciting journey. But first, what exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. It's powered by machine learning and designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Imagine having a conversation with a friend, but that friend is a highly intelligent AI, capable of understanding and responding to a wide range of topics. That's ChatGPT for you. Besides general conversation, ChatGPT has a remarkable ability to understand and generate code across different programming languages. This feature makes it a valuable tool for programmers, saving them a significant amount of time and effort. With ChatGPT, you can translate code from one language to another, troubleshoot coding issues, or even learn new programming languages. It's like having a personal assistant that not only understands programming, but can also converse with you in a natural human-like manner. Now that you know what ChatGPT is, it's time to dive into how you can use it for code translation. Getting ChatGPT ready for code translation is a breeze. Let me guide you through the process, step by step. Our first step is to access the OpenAI platform. You can do this by using any web browser and navigating to the OpenAI website. Once you're there, look for the option that says Chat Models. Click on it and select ChatGPT. It's really as simple as that. Now, let's prepare our environment. You'll need to install the OpenAI Python client. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Go to your command prompt or terminal and type pip install OpenAI. Hit enter and let the magic happen. Next, we'll need to authenticate our environment. This involves providing your API key, which you can find on your OpenAI account dashboard. It's a unique identifier that lets ChatGPT know who's accessing it. Be sure to keep this key safe and don't share it with others. With the environment set up, it's time to initialize ChatGPT. You'll need to use a few lines of Python code to do this. The OpenAI website provides excellent examples that you can follow. The code essentially tells ChatGPT that it's time to get to work. And there you have it. You've set up ChatGPT for code translation. You'll find that the process is incredibly user-friendly and intuitive. The system has been designed to be accessible to coders of all levels, so don't worry if you're new to this. With ChatGPT set up, you're all set to start translating code. Translating code with ChatGPT is as easy as having a conversation. Now that we've set up ChatGPT for code translation, let's dive into the actual process. Think of it as instructing a friend who is fluent in multiple languages to translate your thoughts. Here's how it works. First, you need to input the code you want to be translated into ChatGPT. This is done in a conversational manner, where you simply ask ChatGPT to translate your code. For instance, you could say, "Hey ChatGPT, I've got this Python code that I want to convert into Java. Can you help me out?" Remember to include your code in the conversation. Next, you specify your target language. ChatGPT is quite savvy and can handle a variety of programming languages. Whether you're looking to translate into JavaScript, C++, Ruby, or any other language, ChatGPT has got you covered. Once you've input your code and specified your target language, ChatGPT gets to work. It's like having your own personal code translator, tirelessly working to convert your code from one language to another. Now, let's talk about the accuracy and efficiency of the translation process. ChatGPT is powered by advanced machine learning algorithms, which ensure that your translated code is not only syntactically correct, but also semantically consistent with the original code. This means that your translated code will do exactly what your original code was intended to do. Furthermore, ChatGPT is incredibly efficient. It translates your code in a matter of seconds, saving you countless hours of manual code translation. Imagine the time you could save on a large project. Finally, ChatGPT outputs the translated code. You can then copy this code and use it in your project. It's as simple as that. And voila, your code is translated in no time. So the next time you're faced with the task of translating code from one language to another, remember, you've got a friend in ChatGPT. So, what have we learned today? We've discovered that translating code from one programming language to another need not be an uphill task. In fact, with the power of ChatGPT, it's more like a walk in the park. We've journeyed through the process, starting with an introduction to the concept of code translation and then diving into the world of ChatGPT. Remember how we set up ChatGPT for code translation? It was as simple as getting your API key and installing the right libraries. Yes, the same steps you would follow to set up any other programming tool. And then came the interesting part, using ChatGPT to translate code. We learned that all it takes is to feed your source code into ChatGPT, specify the target language, and voila, you get your translated code. It's not just about the simplicity, it's also about the efficiency. ChatGPT understands the logic and structure of your code, ensuring that the translated code maintains the same functionality as the original. So, no more spending hours trying to decode and recode, no more bugs introduced due to manual translation errors. With ChatGPT, you've got a reliable partner that makes code translation a breeze. With ChatGPT, code translation becomes a seamless task. Give it a try and experience the ease of code translation yourself.